Everything is pointing towards a game to really savour here, with the unmistakable notes of tension and excitement in the air as the fans start to pour into the stadium. It's on the way for you next, right here on EA TV. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray. Alongside me is the former England striker Sue Smith. We've got action coming up from Major League Soccer. Your thoughts on this game then, Sue?
Well, being in and around the ground before kick-off, the fans are buzzing. They can't wait for this game.
What a terrific effort. That would have been special.
And he watches the ball all the way, connects with it perfectly, but just can't find the accuracy. It's a great effort, though.
And what can they do from the corner? And the ball comes in. And the move has come to an end. Now a sense that something could happen from this. Positive pass, nicely done. Played into the penalty area. And that's ended up being the goalkeeper's ball. Laye. Good work to recover possession. Martinez. They found a way through. Well, from that sort of range, he really should be testing the keeper. No wonder he's frustrated with himself. Promising position, this. Here we go! And that is a top-quality save. They decide against putting it into the box. And behind for a corner, pressure still on. And they decide against playing it in. Now to play for another corner. And it's a short one. Gone for the near post option. Well, actually, just a little too close to the keeper. He'll happily take that. Read the pass well and cuts it out.
Yeah, right place, right time. No messing about there.
They're just looking now for that final pass through. Juan Jones. Closed it down well. Osorio. And this could be the moment for a counter. To take the lead. It's not away yet. And he might have made the save, but he also made it easy to follow up and score. He has to do better than that. And we're back underway at 1-0.
Number 22, Richie Laria.
Arango. Teeing up the chance now. Perfectly anticipated, really well won. Now the chance for them to pull forward. Vitor Costa. Oh, what a chance! Oh, penalty given. A chance to get back on level terms. Well, no card, just a warning and a fair few protests.
Well, he's probably got away with that, and you can see why they'd expect a card.
Up he steps to level things. And it's in. A show of composure from 12 yards out.
Well, if we watch this again, that's so close to being a fantastic stop. The goalkeeper anticipates which way the ball's going to go. He shows great agility to get across the goal, but the ball just manages to sneak in over the top.
And away we go again at 1-1. He's hit that well. It's a good block.
Well, that was a really good block, you know.
To take the lead. Got behind it and kept it out. Ball comes in. An opportunity now. Could take things forward a notch here. Having a look. And not this time, it's been saved.
He's certainly looked lively, hasn't he? And you can see that he wants that second goal, but it's a good save from the keeper.
Lovely pass, the ticket to be in. Found superbly and in. And it's tame. No trouble for any goalkeeper.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. You can't waste chances like that, can you?
Josef Martinez. Starting to get interested here. But able to deal with the danger decisively. Well defended. They've dropped off a bit here. Maybe a touch of energy conservation.
Yeah, they do look organised off the ball. Just need to remain focused, don't they?
This could be threatening. To put them ahead. A chance yet to appear. That's a good pass. And it's It's opened up. And there's the goal to put them in front.
Well, if we watch this again, it's a tidy finish, and it's certainly been coming. The pressure's been building, and they've got their rewards.
So it's 2-1 as the game restarts.
17, Joseph Alexander Martinez.
This is a promising-looking attack. But it will now be tidied up and cleared away. Christian Arango. Vitor Costa. Arango. Nice rhythm to the passing here. And the goalkeeper has that and keeps it in his grasp. Played in with that. And it's been given as offside. First half almost over. How important is this lead going to be going into the break?
Well, they've been able to dictate the play for large parts of this half, and some really good combination play in that final third.
Now, here's a chance. The goalkeeper more than ready for it. It's put into the middle. Promising position, this. A crucial interception.
Yeah, nipped that in the bud. He did so well to stop them.
And that's been viewed as a foul. Martinez. Lovely setup. Now he's in. It's still up for grabs. Incredible stop.
Yeah, he barely had a moment to move, and those reflexes were absolutely top class.
Played into the box. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close. He's certainly had a decent game so far, or maybe better than that. I think it's fair to say he hasn't disappointed.
I think he's had a good first 45 minutes. He's created so many chances, and his goal was a good finish. I think he's going to be key in the second half because the defenders are struggling with him.
Off we go, the second half underway. Lovely weighted pass. Trying to spark the attack further into life here. Jones. That looks decent, making progress here. And that's a really good claim of the ball. Threads it through. Moving through on goal. Now, what can they do from here? And that's a golden chance that's gone begging.
Well, you've got to be composed and put that away. You're not going to get many chances easier than that to equalise.
Jonathan Osorio. To be replaced by number 10, Georgi Mihailovic.
Working hard to win it back there. He'll try his luck, but well watched by the goalkeeper and not one for the highlights. Arango. Vitor Costa. Looking like they mean business here. This could be threatening. Oh, that's really well cut out. Could be setting something now. And that has missed by quite a distance. Now here comes a change. Good work, they've got it back. Working the ball really nicely. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? Real opportunity. And he should really have put that away.
Oh no, he'll be gutted about that. It's a real chance missed. And now the game's still very much in the balance.
Content to let the game come to them for now. Juan Jones. Oh, that's a lovely pass.
Yeah, he just picks out those passes so well.
And that's safe and secure goalkeeping. Laye. And that's really useful defending. That's got out of play. Throw in to come. Well, both bosses have decided to make a change now. An attack that's come to nothing. Josef Martinez. Well, look at the room they've got to attack now. It's played into the box. A magnificent stop, and there'll be more to make as they chase the game.
Yeah, that's a save to remember, isn't it?
Mihailovic. What a chance here. Still the chance. Taken without any trouble. Christian Arango. Jones.
Well, the visitors have dominated possession over the past 15 minutes. And they've created some clear-cut chances too. You think if the
Terrific chance. And there's his second of the match, leading the way for the team.
Well, it's a lovely ball over the top, perfectly weighted to set it up. But you do have to ask questions of the keeper. Could he have done better here? I think so. You can't be getting beaten at your near post like that.
we go then. 3-1 the score now.
Number 17, Joseph Alexander Martinez.
Jones. Martinez. Kay. Now, what can they do from here? Could be something on. And a marvellous save.
Well, he just shows great reflexes and agility to keep that out. It's a top-class save.
Here it comes. Well, on the scent of a hat-trick, but not this time.
Well, he's been fantastic so far. You'd think it's going to come if he gets another opportunity.
So quarter of an hour remaining. The ball given away. Chance to get back in this. Well, he's kept that out nicely. That's not a bad looking ball. Could turn out to be a really good ball. Christian Arango. Good cross into the middle. The road to goal has ended up being a road to nowhere. Cifuentes. Oh, he's missed it, and that might be their fate sealed.
Oh, the clock's ticking faster than they'd like it to. I think that had to go in, Guy.
Arango. A chance to get in behind with that. It's a big, big miss, but it wouldn't have counted.
Well, the assistant's sparing his blushes there. You've got to say it was a shocking effort, though.
So into the final 5 minutes. Kay. Arango. Players waiting in the centre. Well, he's found touchline, not teammate. That's unfortunate. Christian Espinoza. Josef Martinez. Pass as precise as they come. And that's a frustrating call for them. Mightily close.
Well, I thought he was in there. It looked like he timed his run well, but the flag's up. He'll be so disappointed because that's really unlucky.
Really nicely played. What can they do with this now?
Josef Martinez.
Threads it through. Played in, and this could be. And a goal to take them even further clear. Signing off in style.
Well, if we look at this again, he shows great vision and awareness to play the ball through. And then 2v1, the keeper has no chance. But they still have to stay focused and finish it off, which they did with ease.
So it's 4-1 now as the ball gets rolling again. There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points, Sue.
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? Particularly impressed with their play going forward. They were really lively and almost cutting through at will at times. The result never in much doubt.
Well, there are good games, and then there are games like that. He surely has been the player who's most caught the eye today.
Yeah, well, he gave the backline a torrid time, didn't he? He was far too sharp for them. Always looking to play on the shoulder. Took his goals well, too. Clearly the difference maker today.